Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please press the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Today we are making paddu, or it's also called as appe, paniyaram or guntpanglu. First, in a pan, let's take 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera. Once the jeera starts spluttering, let's put some chana dal. This brings small crunches in the paddu. Then let's put some green chilies. If kids are eating it, then you can avoid green chilies, but it gives a nice taste to the paddu. Now I am putting 1 medium chopped onion. Let them be finely chopped. Once the onions are well cooked, it's done now. Switch off the heat and put this tadka to the dosa batter. Now it's time to put some veggies. I'm putting here 1 carrot, 1 shredded carrot and spinach. Even dill leaves taste amazing for this. You can use dill leaves also, or if you don't have anything, you can use coriander as well. I'm putting some salt here next. Then goes the turmeric powder. Give the mix a quick mix, then let them settle down nicely. Now I am taking a paddu pan or appe pan. Put some drops of oil into the mold of appe. Let's spread the oil all over nicely so that when I put the batter, it doesn't stick. Put the batter to 3/4 of the mold so that when it cooks, it becomes more in size and it cooks well from inside. Let's close it with a lid so that they will cook very nicely from inside. All the batter cooks well. After 1 to 2 minutes, remove the lid. Now I am adding oil. You can also put ghee or butter. Butter paddu tastes amazing as like butter dosa also. So if you like, you can put butter also. Let's turn it and cook from the other side. Just see to it whether they are cooked from both the sides. See, now they are well cooked from both the sides. It's time to remove it in a plate. The hot paddus are ready now. Give it 1 to 2 minutes before eating so that inside they taste very nicely. Serve this hot paddu with chutney, coconut chutney. Even you can eat peanut chutney as well. Serve this to your family and friends. Enjoy this healthy breakfast. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed.